Massive, welcome back to my channel 876 Recipes TV. So in this video I'm going to show you how I toasted coconut on a stove top. So in a skillet on low heat I am putting freshly grated coconut, and this is one small native coconut. So what I'm doing now is to spread the coconut as thinly as possible.
Me a the teacher, hey. Kulida gwenze musomesa asomesa basomesa ze musomesa.
As soon as the edges start to get brown, use a spoon or you can use a fork as well and just stir the coconut so that it does not burn, because burn coconut does not taste good, so you don't want it to burn. Make sure that the heat is on low and just stand there. You can't move, just stand there and keep stirring. Do not stop stirring. Yeah man, so as soon as the coconut is toasted to your satisfaction, just remove it from the heat, allow it to cool. If you're not ready to use it, you can store it in an airtight container in the cupboard or what you call pantry overseas. And the coconut is all toasted and ready. My kitchen smells so good. The flavor, the fragrance from the toasted coconut is heaven. It is so good, man. It is ready to use right now. Yeah man. So I am adding the toasted coconut to a mixture because I'm making a pound cake for my website, and this is so good, so good. I'm telling you, man, I just love the taste and the flavor and the fragrance when the coconut is toasted. Make sure that it is not burnt. Yeah man, as long as it is not burnt, everything is copacetic. You don't know, you understand? Yeah man, thanks for watching.
Mukasa, what is the answer? Chuchitovo, that is